DIY hair care using Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. Here's how you can do it. 2 tablespoons of Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. 1 ripe avocado. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Instructions. In a bowl, mash the ripe avocado until it forms a smooth paste. Add Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner, honey, and olive oil to the mashed avocado. Mix all the ingredients well until they are thoroughly combined. Wet your hair with warm water and section it into manageable parts. Apply the hair mask mixture generously from the roots to the tips of your hair, ensuring that every strand is coated. Gently massage the mask into your scalp for a few minutes to stimulate blood circulation. Once applied, cover your hair with a shower cap or a towel to trap in the heat and enhance the conditioning process. Leave the hair mask on for about 30 minutes to an hour to allow the ingredients to deeply penetrate your hair. Rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water, making sure to remove all traces of the mask. Follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner routine. This DIY hair mask will help hydrate and moisturize your hair, leaving it feeling soft, nourished, and revitalized. The combination of Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner, avocado, honey, and olive oil provides essential nutrients and moisture to dry, dull, or brittle hair. Why do that if the brand carries hair mask? While Carol's Daughter provides hair masks formulated to address specific concerns, incorporating the Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner into your DIY hair masks can offer additional customization, cost-effectiveness, immediate availability, and experimentation. It allows you to maximize the benefits of the leave-in conditioner while tailoring your hair treatment to your unique needs and preferences.